Hello students, let's learn practice set 6.1 of trigonometry, chapter number 6. आपल्याला practice set 6.1 पाहण्या अगोदर we should basically know the interrelation of the trigonometric ratios. Interrelation 2 मिनिटात मी तुम्हाला रिवाइज करून सांगतो. sin theta into cosec theta is equals 1. When you want to calculate sin theta, take this cosec theta to right side. We get sin theta is equals 1 upon cosec theta. Similarly, cos theta into tan theta, cos theta into sec theta is equals 1. Cos theta into sec theta is equals 1. When you want to calculate sec theta, cos theta should be taken to right side. We get 1 upon cos theta. And when you want to calculate cos theta, take this sec theta to right side. We get cos theta is equals 1 upon sec theta. Similarly, tan theta into cot theta is equals 1. When you want to calculate cot theta, take this tan theta to right side. We get cot theta is equals 1 upon tan theta. In this way, you can remember the interrelation values of sin, cos, tan. Sin upon cos is equals tan, cos upon sin is equals tan. हे इंटररिलेशन हे जे इंटररिलेशन आहे ते खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. तुम्हाला हा जर पूर्ण प्रॅक्टिस सेट यायचा असेल तर हे इंटररिलेशन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आयडेंटिटीज ह्या खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. आणि आपण आज इंटररिलेशन आता मी तुम्हाला सांगितलंय. ज्याने इंटररिलेशनचा डिटेलमध्ये व्हिडिओ पाहायचा आहे त्यांनी डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये तुम्हाला आय बटन वरती जो एक व्हिडिओ रेफर केलेला आहे तो तुम्ही आवर्जून पहा. तुम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये इंटररिलेशन कशा पद्धतीने असते त्याचा डिटेल व्हिडिओ मी तयार केलेला आहे. आता आपल्याला ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आयडेंटिटीज पण लक्षात ठेवायचे. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आयडेंटिटीज मध्ये आपल्याला काय बघायचंय की साइन अँड कॉस हॅव सम आयडेंटिटिकल रिलेशन इन द ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. मी डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला देतो, तुम्हाला प्रूव्ह करून दाखवत नाही. साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा इज इक्वल्स 1. साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा इज इक्वल्स 1. When you want to calculate value of cos theta, cos square theta, take this sin square theta to right side. When you take this sin square to right side, we get cos square theta is equals 1 minus sin square theta. आपल्या या प्रॅक्टिस सेट 6.1 मध्ये जे काही प्रूव्ह करायला सम दिलेत किंवा प्रॉब्लेम सेट मध्ये जे काही प्रूव्ह करायला सम दिलेत त्याच्यामध्ये हे आयडेंटिटीज इम्पॉर्टंट असतात. Sometimes you have to substitute the value of cos square from identity. It is 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is equals 1 minus sin square. काही वेळेला 1 minus sin square हे आपल्याला दिलेलं असते त्याच्यावरनं व्हॅल्यू भरायची असते cos square. म्हणजे these identities are very important. So you have to remember this identity only. First identity sin square plus cos square is equals 1. ही झाली साइन स्क्वेअर आणि कॉस स्क्वेअरची आयडेंटिटी. आता टॅन स्क्वेअर आणि टॅन स्क्वेअर आणि सेक स्क्वेअर याची आयडेंटिटी. सेकंड आयडेंटिटी मी हे रफ करतो. सेकंड आयडेंटिटी फर्स्ट तुम्हाला सांगितले साइन स्क्वेअर प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर. नेक्स्ट आयडेंटिटी इज टॅन स्क्वेअर थीटा प्लस 1 इज इक्वल सेक स्क्वेअर थीटा. tan square theta plus 1 is equal sec square. म्हणजे 1 राईट साइडला घेऊन गेलं तर आपल्याला आयडेंटिटी मध्ये tan square ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळते बघा. when you take this plus 1 to right side we get tan square theta is equal sec square theta minus 1. so sec square minus 1 ची व्हॅल्यू tan square from identity. yes or no? sec square theta minus 1. Sec square minus 1 is equals tan square. Sometime you have to substitute sec square theta is equals tan square theta plus 1. म्हणजे आपल्याला कोणती व्हॅल्यू प्रूव्ह करायमध्ये नेसेसरी आहे त्याच्यानुसार आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू घ्यावी लागते. समटाइम tan square, समटाइम sec square. But tan square theta is equals sec square minus 1. These identities are very important to understand the examples given in practice set. So tan square theta is equals sec square minus 1, and another identity is of cot and cosec. 1 plus cot square theta is equals cosec square theta. So when you want to calculate cot square theta, take this 1 to right side. When we take this 1 to right side, we get cot square theta. Cot square theta is equals cosec square theta minus 1. So this is the value of cot square from identity, and cosec square is equals 1 plus cot square. I hope you will remember these three identities, which are very important to solve the sums which are given to prove in trigonometric relation. Let's see first example. आपल्या प्रॅक्टिस सेट मध्ये फर्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन दिलेला आहे तो खूपच सिंपल आहे. वी हॅव सॉल्व्ड सच सम्स इन 9th स्टँडर्ड ऑल्सो. sin theta is equals 7 over 25. Then find the values of cos theta and tan theta. Find cos theta and tan theta. ओके, हा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे प्रॅक्टिस सेट मधला. sin theta is equals 7 over 25 is given. So we have to find the value of cos theta and tan theta. Remember, we can find the value of cos theta and tan theta by two ways, but using identity चा यूज करून आपण हे कशा पद्धतीने सॉल्व करू शकतो पहा. We have given sin theta is equals 7 over 25. Reason given. What would be the reason given? You should write it in bracket. Given. We know the relation of sin and cos in identity. Sin आणि cos चं आयडेंटिटी मधलं रिलेशन काय आहे? मी थोडा वेळ इथली आयडेंटिटी इथे लिहून ठेवतो. sin square plus cos square theta is equals 1. येस ऑर नो? ही फर्स्ट आयडेंटिटी जी आपण लर्न केलेली होती ती या ठिकाणी दिलेली आहे. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals 1. मग आता आपल्याला sin दिलाय. कॅन वी फाइंड द cos using identity? Yes. So write the given identity as it is. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals 1. Identity, trigonometric identities. Now we have the value of sin theta, which is given in our question. So what is the value of sin theta? It is 7 over 25. So square of 7 over 25. Why the square? Because here sin square. So the square of the given value of sin theta. Sin theta is equals 7 upon 25. So we wrote the value of sin theta from given, plus as it is, cos square keep as it is equals 1. First, while squaring the fraction, you should square each numerator and denominator. Yes, square of 7 is 49. Square of 25 is 625. Plus cos square as it is, cos square theta is equals 1. Now take this 49 over 625 to right side. When you take this 49 over 625 to right side, we get cos square theta is equals 1 minus 49 over 625. You don't need to write its reciprocal there. 625 upon 49 is wrong, because when you take this plus to right side, it would be negative or minus. So 1 minus 49 over 625. Now while subtracting the fraction, their denominators must be equal. So multiplying by 625 to 1, we get 625. Why we are multiplying this? To equalize their denominator. So 625 into 1, we get 625. What would be our next step? Next step would become as cos square theta is equals 625 minus 49 over 625. Now subtracting the numerators. Why did we this? आपण हे का केलेलं आहे? This is for the subtraction, and subtraction of fractions is possible when they have same or equal denominators. ज्यावेळेस त्यांचे डिनोमिनेटर सेम असतात त्यावेळेस त्यांचं सबट्रॅक्शन होतं. सो 625 minus 49 we got 576 over 625. Now cos square is equals 576 upon 625. Taking square roots of both sides, what do we get? Taking square roots of both sides, cos square become cos theta. 576 is the square of 24. So taking square root of both sides, we get 24 upon or 25 over 25. Taking square roots of both sides. Right here the reason in a bracket. Taking square roots of both sides, we got cos theta. We can use interrelation of sin and cos to calculate tan theta now. Now cos tan theta is equals sin theta over cos theta. I have told you how these interrelations of trigonometric ratios are important to solve sums. So you will realize tan theta can be calculated using sin over cos. What is the value of sin? It is 7 over 25. 7 over 25 over what is the value of cos theta? It is 24 over 25. Dividing a fraction by a fraction means multiplying by the inverse of second fraction to the first fraction. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस आपण एखाद्या फ्रॅक्शनला दुसऱ्या फ्रॅक्शनने डिवाइड करतो त्यावेळेस दुसऱ्या फ्रॅक्शनच्या इनवर्सनं फर्स्ट फ्रॅक्शनला मल्टिप्लाय करतो. त्यामुळे आपण इथं लिहिणार जरा आय यूज दिस स्पेस sin tan theta is equals 7 over 25 as it is, and inverse of 24 upon 25 becomes 25 over 24. 25 get eliminated, we got 7 over 24. Tan theta is equals 7 over 24. These are the values of cos theta and tan theta. How can we calculate these values? By the other method. We can use the other method to calculate. आपण बघूयात ती कशा पद्धतीने. This is method 1 using identities. Method 1 मध्ये आपण काय केलं? आयडेंटिटीचा यूज करून सॉल्व केला. Let's solve the same sum using other method. Okay, same sum. Question number 1. If sin theta is equals 7 over 25, then find cos theta and tan theta. But we are going to solve this sum using other method. In initial method, we use the trigonometric identities or interrelation to find cos theta and tan theta. In this method, this is very simple method. In this method, we will assume a theta in a triangle. Let triangle ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle B is equal to theta or angle C is equals theta. You can assume any angle ABC. So draw a right angled triangle. एक right angled triangle काढायचा. त्याला name the A, B and C. Name it as A, B and C. According to assumptions, angle C is of theta. So we have given sin theta. So sin theta is equal 7 over 25. In figure, in the right triangle ABC, theta is here. According to definition of sin theta, it tells us opposite side of theta upon hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side? Sin theta. In triangle ABC, sin theta is equals AB over AC is equals, what is AB? It would be 7 upon 25 from 1 म्हणा, from 1. मग लगेच आपण काय लिहिणार? AB upon AC is equals 7 over 25. Now assume therefore sign on AB is equals 7k and AC is equals 25k. K is the constant. K is the constant. So we got AB, AC. Use Pythagoras theorem to calculate the third side BC. In triangle ABC, आपल्याला we should use Pythagoras theorem to calculate third side BC. How will write the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC? लगेच lab by using Pythagoras theorem, I would like to write here AB square plus BC square is equals AC square. Reason lab by Pythagoras theorem. Substitute the values now. What is AB? AB is 7k. बघा इथे आपण AB 7k काढला होता, त्यामुळे 7k whole square plus BC we don't know, keep as it is. BC square is equals, what is the value of AC? We have assumed AC as a 25k, so 25k whole square, squaring 7k whole square, we get square of 7 is 49, square of k is k square, plus BC square as it is. We don't know the value of BC square, so keep it as it is. Square of 25 is 625 and k square. Now take this 49k square to right side, we get BC square is equals 625k square minus 49k square. Got you? Okay. 625k square minus 49k square, we get BC square is equals 576k square. Yes or no? Yes. So taking square roots of both sides, we get BC is equals 24k. We got value of BC. So in a triangle ABC, we have value of AB, it is 7k, value of AC 25k from the ratio, and BC is a 24k. Okay. Now how to calculate cos theta and tan theta? Remember, when you find the third side of right triangle, assume the right triangle, then you can find any ratio, whether it is cos theta, tan theta or sec theta, cot theta, any ratio. You can find any ratio. So I will rub this. Let find cos theta. How can we find cos theta? We got the values of BC, AB and AC in this right triangle. So use cos theta, cos definition to find cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, cos theta कैसा calculate केला जाणार? Cos theta is equal to 7. Cos theta is equals adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. This is the definition or the ratio of cos, adjacent side of angle theta over hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side of cos? Theta is काय? थीटाच्या adjacent side काय येणार आहे पहा? BC. So BC over it is AC. What is the value of BC? It is 24 upon 24k upon what is value of AC? It is 25k. K just cancel and we got 24 over 25. This is the value of cos theta. Similarly, you can find the value of tan theta also. Tan theta ची पण कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल तुम्हाला व्हॅल्यू. कशी करणार? tan theta is equals opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of angle theta. So substitute the value of cos opposite side of angle theta. Theta is here. So what is the opposite side of angle theta? Opposite side of angle theta is AB and adjacent side is BC. So AB upon BC. What is the value of AB? It is 7K. What is the value of BC? It is 24K. K just cancel and we got 7/24. In this way you can solve question number 2, question number 3. याच पद्धतीने तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सॉल्व करता येईल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करणार? युजिंग आयडेंटिटी. मी तुम्हाला सांगतो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कसा सॉल्व करायचा. तुम्ही सॉल्व करू शकता सेम मेथड यूज करून, पण क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बघा, सेम तुम्हाला मेथड यूज करायचे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्ही tan थीटा गिवन आहे. क्वेश्चन 2 प्रॅक्टिस सेट मधला, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 6.2 त्यातला क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इट इज tan theta is equals 3/4. Then find the value of sec and cos theta. Sec theta आणि cos theta ची व्हॅल्यू विचारले. So tan theta is equals 3/4. It is given. What is the identity of tan? In identity, tan is a relation with sec square. So initially write the identity of sec theta. It is sec square theta is equals 1 plus tan square theta. Trigonometric identity. Reason la, write the reason, trigonometric identity. What is the value of tan theta? 1 as it is. Tan theta is given, it is 3/4, so 3/4 whole square. 1 as it is. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 16. 16 into 1, 16 plus 9, 25. Why did we do this? To add the fractions. This is whole number and this is fraction. While adding whole number and fraction, we have to equalize the denominators of both the fractions. So 16 1 the 16 plus 9 25. 25/16. Sec square theta is equals 25/16. So we get sec theta is equals 5/4. Sec theta ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली टेकिंग स्क्वेअर रूट्स ऑफ बोथ साइड्स. टेकिंग स्क्वेअर रूट्स, आपण स्क्वेअर रूट घेतले. येस ऑर नो? आता आपण सेक मिळाला की कॉस कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. हाउ? फ्रॉम इंटररिलेशन we know cos theta into sec theta is equals 1. We have the value of sec theta, so cos theta as it is into sec theta. Sec theta is given 5/4 is equals 1. Take this 5/4 to right side, we get cos theta is equals 1 into, this is the multiplication, and when you take this 5/4 to right side, its multiplicative inverse is returned to right side. 5/4 would become 4/5. 4/5. So we got cos theta is equals 4/5. Now we have the values of cos theta and sec theta. We solved this sum using trigonometric identities and interrelation. I hope you will solve this and such questions using the same method. या पद्धतीने तुम्ही दुसरे कोणते पण क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करू शकता. थर्ड क्वेश्चन सेम तसंच आहे. कॉट दिलाय, त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला कोसेक स्क्वेअर ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची. व्हेन यू गेट कोसेक then you can find the value of sin theta. I would like to explain you about fourth question. Say a third question is same as that I have solved now, but use the identity of cosec square. Now fourth question, third question you can solve it. Sec theta, what is given? We have given in a question that phi sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equals 0. Then find the values of sec theta, cos theta and sin theta. याच्या व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड करायचे. First upon write the given phi sec theta minus 12 cosec theta is equals 0. Now take this minus 12 cosec theta to right side. When you take this to right side, we get phi sec theta left side as it is, and minus 12 cos theta. When you take this to right side, we get plus 12 cosec theta. So 0 plus 12 cosec theta, it would become 12 cosec theta. Now cosec theta and sec theta have interrelation with cos. Sec theta's relation with cos. So what is the sec theta into cos theta? It is 1. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इंटररिलेशन मध्ये तुम्हाला मी cos थीटा इंटू सेक थीटा यांच्या रिलेशन बद्दल सांगितलं होतं. cos थीटा इंटू सेक थीटा इज इक्वल्स 1. When you want to find the value of sec theta, this cos theta should be taken to right side. We get sec theta is equals 1 upon cos theta. जिथं cos sec theta आहे तिथं आपण sec theta ची व्हॅल्यू भरणार 5 into 1 upon cos theta is equals 12 into cosec theta has the same relation with sin theta. So we write 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is equals 1 upon sin theta from interrelation. Now take this sin theta to left side, 1 upon sin theta to left side and phi to right side. That is number कडे number आणि letters कडे letters किंवा words ना 1 upon sin theta left side ला येताना तो इन्व्हर्स होणार, म्हणजे इथं मल्टिप्लाय ला जाणार. सो इट वुड बिकम ॲज अ साइन थीटा ओव्हर कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल्स 12 over 5. Give statement number no, sorry. Now we have again interrelation of sin upon cos. Sin upon cos is the interrelation of tan theta. I have told all these trigonometric relations in this video that I have given in I button. त्याच्यावर go to the link and watch the video first to understand the interrelations of trigonometric ratios and how can you keep those interrelations in your mind temporarily. Sin theta upon cos theta is equals tan theta. So we got tan theta is equals 12 over 5. Why? Because sin theta over cos theta is equals tan theta. Yes or no? Sin theta over cos theta is equals tan theta. Sorry, sin theta upon cos theta is equals tan theta. Now, what is the next? When you get tan theta, you can find sec. How? Using same identity. Sec square theta is equals 1 plus tan square theta. Now we have the value of tan theta in statement 1. Give the statement number 1 to the value of tan theta. It is 12 over 5. Substitute this value here. We get 1 plus 12 over 5 whole square. 1 as it is. Square of 12 is 144. Square of 5 is 25. So Adding these two fractions again, we have to multiply by 25 to 1. We get 25 ones are 25 plus 144, we get 169 over 25. This is the value of sec square theta. We have been asked sec theta, not sec square theta. So take the square roots of both sides. We get sec theta is equals 13 over 5. When you get the sec theta, you can find cos. How? sec theta मिळाल्यावर cos कसं फाइंड कराल? युजिंग इंटररिलेशन. हे तुम्हाला लक्षात आलं असेल तर हा पार्ट तुम्ही त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट काढून घ्या आणि नंतर सेकंड पार्ट ह्याच्यामध्येच आपल्याला अजून व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायचं आहे. cos theta also sin theta. We can find cos theta and sin theta right now. Listen. What do we have? आपल्याकडे काय काय आहे? Now we have tan theta, we have sec theta. We can find the value of cos theta using interrelation of sec and cos. I have told you the interrelation of cos and sec for third cos theta into sec theta is equals 1. We know this is interrelation of cos and sec. Why? Because sec is the reciprocal of cos theta. Now cos theta we have to keep it as cos theta into sec theta is calculated in statement number 2. Statement 2 मध्ये आपण calculate केलाय. What is sec theta? It is 13 over 5. It is 13 over 5 is equals 1. Take this 13 over 5 to right side. We get cos theta is equals 1 into 5 over 13. So cos theta is equals 5 over 13. We got value of cos theta. Now we can find the value of sin theta. How can we find the value of sin theta? Okay, we can find sin theta using the interrelation of sin, cos and tan. What is the interrelation of sin, cos, tan? It is sin theta upon cos theta is equals tan theta. Take this cos theta to right side. It is dividing cos theta. When you take this to right side, it would become as sin theta is equals tan theta into cos theta. Yes or no? Just substitute the value of tan theta from statement 1. tan theta ची व्हॅल्यू आपण स्टेटमेंट 1 मध्ये काढलेली होती. That was 12 over 5. We got cos theta in statement 3. Statement 3 मध्ये आपल्याला cos theta ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली. It is 5 over 13. 5 just cancel and we got 12 over 13. So sin theta is equals 12 over 13. Got you how to calculate cos theta, sin theta and tan theta using these identities or interrelation. Now let's solve the question number 4. Question number 5. If tan theta is equals 1, tan theta is equals 1. Reason है given. Then find the value of. I would like to find the values of sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta. So tan theta is equals 1 given, but in the values of trigonometric ratios of certain angle, values of sin theta, sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90, we have also find the values of tan. टॅनच्या पण व्हॅल्यूज असतात. त्याच्यामध्ये which value of tan is 1? which value of tan is 1? We don't see this table how to form. I would teach you this in the next video. Tan theta is equals 1, but which value of tan is 1? Which values of angle tan is 1? It is tan 45. Why? Because tan 45 degrees is equals 1. See this in the values of trigonometric ratios of certain angles. Tan cancelled and we got theta is equals 45. So we have the value of theta now. We can find the value of sin theta plus cos theta over cosec theta plus sec theta, because we know the value of theta now. Sec theta, we have given sec theta first and then cosec theta. So write the question, correct question. Now what is theta? It is 45. So write sin 45 plus cos as it is, and theta is same 45 upon sec theta. Sec theta is sec 45 plus cosec 45. Now sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 plus cosec 45 cos 45 it is 1 upon root 2 same over what is the value of sec 45? It is root 2 plus what is the cosec 45? It is also root 2. The addition of numerator is written at numerator place. While adding the numerator 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 2, we have to see their denominators are equal. Root 2 are same. So root 2 take as it is, and 1 plus 1 is 2 over root 2 plus root 2 becomes 2 root 2, and its inverse or reciprocal is like this: 2 upon root 2 into 2 root 2 upon 1. याचा रेसिप्रोकल जर आपण केलं तर आपल्याला मिळणार 1 over 2 root 2. 2 just cancel and we got 1 upon root 2 into root 2 root 4, आणि त्याचा स्क्वेअर रूट घेतलं तर आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू मिळणार 2. सो sin theta plus cos theta upon sec theta plus cosec theta is equals 1 upon 2. Yes, कोणाला काही डाउट आहे? Okay, as usual this was my dialogue. Do you have any doubt? In this way, in the first part of the 6.1 we solved 5 questions. First 5 questions. You can solve these 5 questions now because these are very important. One question may be asked in your exam. If you like this video, every time you forget to like, please press the like button. Share this video with your friends and ask them to subscribe the channel. I would give its next part or part 2 to prove all the remaining 10 sums.